Let's see why this night cream from Dermatology is actually a good one. Hi, I'm GloryB and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. Well, I have this nighttime, it's the Dermatology Peptide Night Cream. I did another video on it a few months ago, but I thought, well, I bought a few more things from them, and while I'm reviewing the rest of them, I'll review this one again, and also they gave me a better deal for my viewers. Now, the thing about this night cream is that it has 5 peptides in it. Most creams out there have 2 or 3 peptides. This one has 5. And they all work together to give you some really good anti-aging properties that work over time. I only use it at night. I might put on a little bit of it during the day right before a sunscreen, just on the areas where I see some aging. But of these 5 peptides, for example, 2 of them are working together to form what's called Matrixyl 3000. If you've been around for a while and you've been kind of a skincare person, you've seen the word Matrixyl before, and that's a couple of these peptides working together. This cream also has ceramides, it has shea butter and vitamin E. It also gives you some lasting hydration to get your skin through the night. It delivers improvement on the appearance of fine lines. Now, when I first bought it, I was having some dryness here from another product that I had been testing, and it wasn't going away. And just using a little bit of this, well, every night, but putting a little extra during the daytime, even right here, was really helpful. Now I'm wearing makeup, of course, and you can see I'm putting this on. It's thick, and I'll show you when I do a close-up of this. It's not liquidy, so it's a nice thick cream, but it's not sticky. Also, best for me, it is unscented. All of their products are unscented except for the face mask, that pumpkin face mask, but that's only lightly scented. But this one has no scent. So many creams from so many companies that reach out to me have scent, and I can't stand them. This, fabulous. It smells like nothing. So it's great. And you can see as I just put it on my skin, and maybe we can do a close-up. It might be a little shiny because I just put cream on my chin, but it doesn't have a goopy feel to it. You know, somebody once described when she goes to bed at night, she looks like a glazed donut because she has so much stuff on her face and it's just all shiny and glazed donut looking. I thought that was a good description, but this product doesn't do that. So it absorbs into the skin really well. One of the great things they're doing for my viewers over at Dermatology is giving me a link that's in the description box. And if you use that link and you buy something, no matter what you can buy one thing or more than one thing, they're going to give you 20% off just for using my link. So that's a really great deal. Just come back every time and click the link in one of my videos and you can get 20% off. So what you need to do if you're watching on a phone or other mobile device and you want to open that description box to find the link, you have to go below the video on the right side. There's a little V, tap the little V, it opens up the description box, and then you can find the link down there. If you're watching it on a computer, also go below the video, but on the left side of the video, click the word show more, and that opens up the description box as well. So check out some of my other reviews on the other products I bought from Dermatology, either by clicking its image on the right side of your screen or tap the little I in the upper right hand corner, and that'll open up the cards that I've attached for the other videos. And I'll see you in the next video.